Alright, man. Alright, dude. What's up?
We're at Jack in the Box.
Hell yeah. We just got off, what's your brother's?
Soul Lounge.
Soul Lounge.
Caffeine Entertainment.
2509 Caffeine Entertainment.
Watch out.
Every Friday night, club be poppin'.
X-rated Friday.
X-rated. Now watch. We're gonna order some Jack in the Box after party. I'm high as fuck. Hey, what are we hitting, nigga? Well, why'd you got the door open, nigga?
Cause I can't roll down.
Oh, down, nigga. Down. You make a point, fool. Hey, dog. Hey, what are the tint, fool? What's the tint?
I just put on the tint, 5% tint. You know, getting blooded. Boy, tint.
Then, nigga, 5%? What the fuck? Hey, look, it's nigga. What's his name? Josh. Hey, we're ready. Let's get this going. Hey, dog. What are we doing?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, no. He's, gonna drive up at the window, I guess. Hey, man. What the fuck did we just do? Hey, watch. I'm gonna signal them. Hey, back in the day, dog.
I was just about to open the window like a dumbass.
You opened the window? You rolled down the
I
window?
was about to, like an idiot.
Sorry,
I can't roll down my window because of the tint. I just put it on a couple days ago.
Hey, how you doing? Whatever you want. Huh?
Oh, I can't order?
Hey, man, I got women working in here. Now, 50 mouths and stuff like that, man.
Whoa.